Good morning. We are the Group 4 and consists of 3 members. I am Kada Shalom F. Guzman.
I'm Alvidjo Shangel.
I'm Leonard Diata.
And today we're going to discuss the impacts of humans in the environment. We have 3 topics to be discussed. We have cyanide fishing, coral reef degradation, and oil spill. Up first, we have cyanide fishing.
Cyanide fishing is one of the most destructive techniques used for catching live fish. In this practice, fishers squirt concentrated sodium cyanide onto reef to stun fish and scoop them up for the aquarium trade or the live food fish market.
There are multiple scenarios of cyanide fishing. One of them is that experts says fishermen have poured thousands of tons of cyanide into Philippine waters, killing multiple coral reefs. Cyanide fishing was then banned in the Philippines. What the government did to stop cyanide fishing is of course to make a law, but what they also did is they did a partnership with the International Marine Life Alliance, and they taught fishermen how to catch live fishes without killing coral reefs. Up next, we have coral reef degradation. Also known as coral reef destruction, is the degradation of the ocean's corals. Basically, what happens to the corals is they turn white and they die. Coral reef degradation is normally caused by illegal fishing techniques, pollution, careless tourism, and other natural phenomena such as earthquakes and hurricanes. There are multiple scenarios of coral reef degradation, and one of them is Palawan's coral reefs. Basically, what happened is multiple of Palawan's coral reef turned white and died. So what they did is they protected these areas, or they protected the coral reefs so that they won't die. And based on my experience, they didn't allow plastic bags when you are island hopping. Up next, we have oil spill.
Oil spill. Oil spill is the leakage of petroleum onto the surface of or of a large body of water.
Oil spills that happens in rivers, bays, and the ocean most often are caused by accidents involving tankers, baggers, pipelines, refiners, drilling rigs, and storage facilities.
There are multiple scenarios of oil spill in the Philippines. One of the scenarios is what happened on August 11, 2006. The oil tanker MT Solar 1, hired by Petron Corporation, sank off the coast of Guimaras, an island province in the Philippines, spilling more than 2.1 million liters of bunker fuel. It is still known as the worst oil spill in the Philippines history. A solution that the government did during a case of oil spill is SOPEP, or Ship Oil Pollution Emergency Plan. And if SOPEP is not enough, there are always coast guards ready to manually clean up the oil using sorbent pads. That is all. Thank you for listening. And once again, I am Kada Shalom F. D. Guzman.
I'm Alvidjo Shangel.
I'm Leonard Diata.
Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.